going on, guys? It's your boy Joe. We're back with another video again today. We're gonna go ahead and install an custom single exit exhaust for the G35. And I'm sorry, by the way, guys, there might be a lot of wind noise in this video because I don't have those little things to cover up the mic a little bit, so I'm sorry, so bear with me. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and install a custom single exit exhaust, and I'm talking about this sucker is humongous. I can literally fist my own exhaust. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all guys at Affordable. Also got the Skyline back, has a whole new stage 2 clutch in it. So yeah, guys, the Skyline's back, so be watching out for some more content on that. If y'all guys are interested in that content, make sure y'all guys go check out the Rod. He's on Instagram. This is his Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here for y'all guys. Make sure y'all guys go let him know that y'all want to see more videos on that. Or if you want, on my channel, we can put out some more videos on the Skyline. I'm thinking about doing the G35 versus the R32 Skyline. Let me know down in the comments if y'all guys would want to see that. Alright guys, you know, we can't start the morning off without a little bit of Starbucks in our system. So yeah, we're gonna get some Starbucks and then we're gonna head that way real quick. Yeah, guys, this is the exhaust leak we had right here. I straight cracked it. For all y'all guys that are asking for my exhaust stalls right here, though.
Here, let's go back.
guys, I'm about to show y'all how loud this car is with the new exhaust right now at full throttle. So let's go ahead and try that out real quick.
Tomorrow.
All right, guys, we just made it back to the crib, and here she is. Let me go ahead and show y'all how it came out. Also give y'all a cold start because y'all haven't heard a cold start yet. So this is a cold start. It's currently the next day. But that's how she's looking. We had it poke out for about an inch, and then it's also angled. You know, some people don't like it angled. I like it the way it looks angled. Looks like I want to be Supra, dude. But yeah, guys, let me go ahead and give y'all a cold start real quick. Yeah, guys, this sucker is humongous. Sorry about the paint on my head. I just got done doing a TikTok. But yeah, guys, this sucker is humongous. In person, it's actually humongous. Like, I could literally put my whole fist, my whole foot in there. Look at that. Let me know what y'all guys think about. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right there. I hope y'all guys enjoyed that little video. Let me know down in the comments down below what y'all guys think about the exhaust. I kind of like it. It sounds better than my old exhaust, to be honest, in my opinion. Yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments down below. And if y'all guys want to see Skyline content, also let me know, because the Skyline, there's a lot more upgrades coming for the Skyline, a lot more upgrades coming for the G. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all guys stay tuned and keep up to date. Make sure y'all turn on post notifications. But if y'all guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all guys next video. Peace.